What is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO is the process of optimizing your content for the search engine of YouTube. YouTube is a search engine and SEO stands for search engine optimization. Point of YouTube SEO is making sure that YouTube understands your video, so it will serve your video to the most relevant viewers. Why is YouTube SEO important? YouTube search is a very important traffic source. When you don't have lots of subscribers, you can still get a lot of views through YouTube search. Therefore, it is important to do YouTube SEO. When we talk about YouTube SEO, we talk about using the right keywords and also the right metadata and optimizing these elements. I'd like to give you an example. For this example, we use the keyword FIFA 23 update. This keyword is used by creators to create content around and also used by viewers to see the latest updates within FIFA 23. Before these creators create content, they do a bit of keyword research. When you do keyword research, you want to know how many times viewers are looking for your keyword. This is called the search volume of the keyword. And you also want to know how many competitors are also targeting their content on that same keyword. This is called the keyword competition. A keyword with high search volume and low competition are likely to get you a lot of views. A keyword with low search volume and high competition are likely to get you less views. So in this case we use the keyword FIFA 23 update. When we look at FIFA 23 update within this keyword research tool, you see that we get a keyword with a high search volume but also with lots of competition. So I'm likely to get less views within this topic. But if we add a word like Xbox and we get the keyword FIFA 23 update Xbox, you can see that there's still lots of search volume, but the competition of this keyword is lower compared to the previous keyword. I would say if you're starting to create content and you don't have many subscribers yet, focus on the keyword FIFA 23 update Xbox. If you already have some subscribers, you can also focus on a more broader keyword because your subscribers are likely to view your content as well. If you want to learn more about the metadata and how to optimize your videos for the YouTube search engine, then watch this video.